Work at your job and make a living. Work on yourself and make a fortune.
Hello, I'm Instructor 6 from KarateClinic.com. If you're listening, I'm assuming you strive for self-management and independent thought. Work at your job and make a living. Work on yourself and make a fortune. This quote is your Rubik's Cube on life. Think of it this way. Your job is a Rubik's Cube. You have 6 sides to solve simultaneously. These 6 sides have nothing to do with what you do at your job, but how you do it. How do you do it? You lead. John Maxwell states that people gravitate to 6 qualities in a leader. These are your 6 sides of your Rubik's Cube. 1. Work on yourself to be a leader in your job. Practice to learn the details of your position. 2. Respect everyone at your job. Everyone has something to teach you, or they wouldn't be working there. 3. Have the courage to make improvements at your job and your job position. 4. Be successful at those improvements. 5. Display loyalty to your coworkers through these improvements. And 6. Make sure you add value to everyone on your team. In closing, no one ever accomplished great success alone. All successful individuals attracted a supporting cast. Thus, the quote is subconsciously stating, become a leader and make a fortune. Every job is just another Rubik's Cube. I'm Instructor 6. Till we speak again.